Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make macarons cake step by step. Start by assembling ingredients and tools on the counter, including a digital scale, piping bags, and an oven thermometer. Preheat the oven to the target temperature and sift almond flour with sugar. Separate eggs carefully, then whisk whites until soft peaks form. Prepare a clean workspace and line baking trays for even airflow and spacing. Beat the egg whites gradually while adding caster sugar to create a glossy meringue, then fold in the sifted dry mix using a gentle motion. Aim for batter that flows in ribbons and settles back within about 10 seconds. Pipe consistent rounds on prepared trays and tap to release air bubbles. Rest shells until they form a skin, then bake in the middle of the oven for even rise and smooth tops. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like, it really helps. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum keeps your kitchen spotless, even with stray crumbs from macarons. Voice control makes cleanup effortless while you focus on decorating. It's a handy helper for busy bakers who want fewer interruptions. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Choose a filling that complements the almond shell, such as smooth buttercream, silky ganache, or bright fruit curd, and pipe a small dollop in the center of each lower shell. Press the matching top shell gently to spread the filling to the edge without squeezing out. Stack filled macarons into a layered cake or arrange them on a board, then chill to set and meld flavors for the best texture and taste experience.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.